Staring at an NDB file from your company's old CRM system? This is a core database file from ACT Contact Management Software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening, recovering, and migrating these ACT database files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest NDB cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. NDB files are database files created by ACT, the customer relationship management software from Swiftpage. They store structured contact records, company information, activity, history, opportunity, tracking notes, communications, and custom field data used for Salesforce management and customer engagement. ACT NDB files use a proprietary relational database format with index tables storing contact company group opportunity and history records. The format includes custom field schema definitions, lookup table entries, document attachment references, and activity linkages within the ACT database engine architecture. The official utility recommended for the NDB file is ACT CRM by ACT LLC. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows offers minimal visibility, so proper viewing requires compatible database tools. Your first troubleshooting move: right-click the NDB file and select Open With. Try launching it using ACT CRM if it's installed. If that fails, test other apps. Different tools have different file handling libraries. If you still cannot open your NDB file, that is okay. The stubbornness of the file suggests a specific weak spot. Let's test these common failure points immediately to see where the problem is originating. First, opening in ACT. Software. Launch ACT. CRM software and open the NDB database using File, then Open Database. Navigate to the NDB file, location, and ACT. Loads the full contact management interface with all records, activities, opportunities, notes, and history. Ensure your ACT version matches or exceeds the version that created the database. Next, repairing corrupted databases. If the NDB file fails to open, use the ACT database maintenance utility from the Tools menu. Run check and replace on the database to repair index corruption and data inconsistencies. For severe corruption, use the Rebuild Database function, which recreates the database structure from the underlying data tables. Finally, migrating to Modern CRM. Export ACT database. Contents to CSV format using File, then Data Exchange, then export for import into Modern CRM platforms. Export contacts, activities, and opportunities separately. Import the CSV files into Salesforce HubSpot or Microsoft Dynamics 365 using their respective data import wizards. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.